everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do for you a Poundland haul, and this is actually video 1 of 2 because I thought I'd just show you generally everything I got from Poundland, but then I'm going to turn a few of these things into gifts. So if you'd like to see how I turn Poundland goodies into Poundland presents, do subscribe and make sure you stick around to see video number 2, which will be coming soon. First, let's just address the elephant in the room, shall we? Vlogmas is becoming a bit of an epic failure. I've been struck down the last few days with, I think it was the stomach flu, but whatever it was nasty. I'm still a bit ill, so you have to like bear with me. So sorry I haven't been around for a couple of days for Vlogmas. Much more exciting news than V&D. We actually hit 1,000 subscribers. I'd just like to say a massive, massive thank you to every single one of you who've hit that subscribe button, who watch my videos, who leave me lovely comments. Like seriously, it means the absolute world to me. If you've watched my other videos, you probably know, but I started my YouTube channel mainly because I was feeling a bit lonely. As a new mom, like working from home, I was feeling a bit isolated and I just wanted to like chat to some people. And I have met so many wonderful people like through doing this, subscribers, fellow YouTubers, oh my goodness, everybody, you are all so lovely. This has been the best decision I ever made. So without further ado, stop whittering Tabby, let's get into my Poundland haul. Now I didn't intend to literally go to Poundland for anything, but there's always those few presents that you just forget. And you think, oh, I should have got a present for, you know, great Auntie Flo. Where can I go for a, you know, a reasonably priced but nice present? The answer is Poundland. The first thing I picked up was a couple of the gingerbread bath bombs. I picked up a couple of these before, one for me to try, one to give away, and the one that I tried is absolutely lovely. So I thought I'd pick up a couple more just to pop in as stocking fillers because they're really nice. A tube of your old faves. It's not Christmas without a tube of sweeties, is it? These are for my mom. There's Tutti Fruities, fruit pastels and fruit gums. Nobody ever really likes the fruit gums, but we all go first for the Tutti Fruities. Got a bag of blokes for the tree. These are like little chocolate soldiers to hang on the Christmas tree. Literally everybody who comes around the house heads to the tree, don't they, for chocolate, so I thought I'd just stock up with a few more, and I thought these soldiers were really nice. They're really kind of vintagey looking, so I just thought I'd pop those like on here, on the other one. Ooh. We've had to move all the other chocolates right to the top of the trees because we were just coming across like little foil packets like held up with string with no chocolates in, and we were like, what is going on here? And it appears that Dolph has got the art of peeling the chocolate, leaving a perfectly like circular like chocolate shape hanging in foil, but there's no chocolate inside. Sneaky little man. I got a wedding bouquet, as you do. This is for one of my little pound shop gift ideas, so do watch my next video to see what I do with these. Whips, but do you notice a problem with these? Do you notice a problem? Where has the walnut gone off the walnut whip? Like, did nobody like the walnuts, so they've like reinvented with no walnut on the top of the walnut whip? Is it even a walnut whip without walnut? Is that why they've renamed it a whip? Who knows? But these were caramel ones and they look tasty, so I'm sure I'll get over the walnut in time. Well, this was exciting. This had been reduced from £5 to £2, and it's a felt pegboard unicorn edition. It's pink. Like, how cool is this? So I thought this would make a lovely present for somebody. I have ideas for it. Watch video number 2. Oh, I got this box of biscuits. This is a McVitie's like selection pack of like mini cookies, mini ice gems and mini gingerbread men. And I love like the packaging on this. It's like a fireplace with the stockings hanging down, and they're actually hanging. For £1, I thought this was so festive and lovely. I have a real problem, right, it might just be me, but tell me if you feel the same. I have a real problem with festive packaging that isn't actually festive. Like advent calendars that have just got a big brand name like across them, but actually nothing to do with Christmas. Like, I absolutely hate that. So I love it when I find packaging that is really, really Christmassy. And I just thought that this was just the job. Oh, after the Secret Santa, I've invested in some real sellotape, like actual branded sellotape. My pound shop tape is so rubbish that I end up having a huge meltdown when I'm trying to like wrap presents, and it's literally peeling into like thin, like pointy bits, and then you're trying to pick the sellotape back off and you can't find the end. Drives me absolutely insane. So I thought I'd get some proper sellotape to see if there's any difference and to see if this improves my wrapping skills. I picked up a face cloth because that's exciting, but I do have plans for it. If you love mermaids and unicorns, then you'll love this. This is a little notebook, but it's got like the unicorn mermaid scale thingies on the front. What do you even call these, like sequined thingies? It changes from multicolored to silver, and it's got a little holographic tail, and it's got 3 different colors of like mermaidy paper to write on. So it's got these like mermaidy scales, and then some like purple waves and some pink waves, all with these holographic dividers. Ooh, shiny. And I just thought this was really cute, especially with a little pen for somebody. I thought this was lovely. I got a unicorn pen. I got one of these for Kate Stutter for her Secret Santa. It's just super cute, and who doesn't love a pom-pom pen? I became a bit addicted to like pom-pom pens when I first watched Legally Blonde, because you know she gets out her little like funky notebook and a fluffy pen, and ever since then I've been like, I love fluffy pens, so I couldn't resist, and it's a unicorn. These are super nice. These are the Kinder Happy Hippo Cocoa Creams. These are so addictive. I keep buying them for my little boy and then just chomping them down myself because they're so yummy. They're like little wafer hippos filled with chocolate and vanilla cream and then like dusted with chocolate sprinkles. Oh my god, they're absolutely amazing. I absolutely love them. They've got a couple of different flavours, I think, of these. One is like white chocolate and vanilla or something, but these are my faves, but they're really for my little boy. But I might smuggle one at the packet, i.e. 5. I got a little bag of coins, but these are a different take on the usual kind of Christmas bag of coins. These ones have holographic unicorns on. I think the cool thing about these is that these are actually stickers that you can peel off and use again. I got some gin liqueur chocolates. I mean, is it even Christmas if you haven't got some liqueur chocolates? Next, surprise, surprise, I got a unicorn calendar for 2019. I mean, what could be better than a calendar? And inevitably, you'll always need more than one because the boxes are generally so small on these, you can't write everything in that you need to. So, you know, it's always good to have a spare, isn't it? So even if somebody just uses this as their spare calendar, Poundland had got some really great calendars in, so I'd really recommend going and having a look. I got this little tub of sweeties. I thought this was really cute. These are Pear Drops. But these reminded me of, you know, the vintage jars that you used to get in the old style sweet shops. It reminded me of those, and I wish I thought at the time it would have been lovely to have 3 different ones of these and then like wrap them in a little like box or tray or something. They've got loads of different ones of these. I know they've got some like strawberry daiquiri and I think some barley sugars and possibly rhubarb and custard and cola cubes. Cola cubes, oh my god. I'm sure you could use the little jar afterwards for something. Not sure what at the moment, but must be something. Oh my god, I've put lip gloss on today. My hair just keeps sticking to my mouth, so sorry if I keep like doing this. I just cannot help it. I just got these little Milky Bar things. They'll just be for my little boy, just to go at the bottom of his stocking. I just thought those were cute. There's 2 Rudolphs and a Father Christmas, and they're Milky Bar, so you know they're nice and full of milk and all that stuff, great for toddlers. More unicorns. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to show you this unicorn present that I'm doing for my friend. Would anybody be interested in seeing what this actually looks like? It's like a unicorn hamper. I'll show you. I'll do a video on it. So next thing I got was just this unicorn bath. They're just like little jelly sweets. I'm so glad that they've thought of these sorts of things. This is a Christmas hamper set, and I cannot tell you, I've done hampers for years, and I cannot tell you how annoying it has been trying to go around finding like shredded paper and ribbon, and especially cellophane, like big rolls of cellophane, like separately. I'm so glad that like Poundland have cottoned onto this and making these hamper sets, because it just makes life so much easier. I was really impressed to see in Poundland that they got some Ardell lashes. These are what they look like. They've got a couple of different styles, but a couple of the others were a bit long for me. Because I don't really get to go out anywhere, I don't really want like really long like out there lashes. So these were the shortest ones, and these are called Selena. And I actually got 3 sets of them just because they're really nice, and they're the ones that are like shorter on the inner eye and then go like fanned out to a bit longer. So I just thought these were really nice, so I picked up 3 because, you know, when you see something and you think, oh, that's just what I wanted, and you have to buy loads of them just to make sure you never run out. I got a pack of candy canes. Who hasn't bought a pack of these from Poundland? They do like little ones in bags as well, but I'm a big fan of the like old traditional big ones. I like to tie these to the front of the presents, just like within the ribbon. I just tie the ribbon around them, and I just think they're really great just to add that bit of a festive touch to your old presents. I've got a mirror. Oh, hello camera. What else can we see? I'm going to use this within a present, so we'll see how that goes. I picked up a few toiletries. This is the Micellar Skin Breathe Nivea like micellar water. So I got that. I got this, which is a light cheered white willow fragrance like micellar water bath and shower gel. It's not branded or anything by any brand that I've heard of, but I thought the packaging was really lovely. And then I got these 2 little matching red fruits fragrance mist and bath and shower gel that were just like in a matching set. They've got loads of these sorts of things. I feel like I'm having to speed now because there's so much. Oh, I'm a massive fan of these. These are the Pout Matters Makeup Gallery Matte Lip Colours. They're a bit like the NYX matte lip creams, which I absolutely love. These have been a bit hit and miss, but I got the whole set anyway because it's for a little present. So those are the colours that I got. So there's like a brownie nude, a dusky pink, a red, and more of a pinky pink. Some animal bars, which, you know, what kid doesn't love? These aren't for Christmas, these are just for my little boy to have as a treat every now and again. They're great for lunch boxes. I got this unicorn notepad. I don't know if you can see, but the cover is kind of like a hologram, like the unicorns are almost like 3D, and it's just a like plain exercise book, but I thought this was really cute. It goes with all the other unicorn things that I bought. I bet you're sick of seeing unicorns on this channel. Are you? Are you? Because I'm going to show you another one. I got this unicorn printed sheet mask. I'm going to have to show you this unicorn hamper, aren't I? Bit of a random one. I picked up some birthday cards. This is because I've heard the moms say, as your children get older, you get invited to like more parties and stuff, and they keep a stash of emergency birthday cards in the house. So I was like, that is a really good idea because I'm really unorganised with stuff like that. So let's do it. So I saw these ones in Poundland, and I thought these were brilliant because they're not just boring standard cards. They're pop-up. And I mean, what isn't to like? So these ones are like jungle cards that pop up. I hope you can see that like well. But these are like jungly themed ones, which are brilliant for boy or girl. And then the second one is like a birthday cake, again, fine for a boy or a girl. This one is like a box with a cupcake on the top with candles on, and really bright colours and rainbows and stuff. So yeah, I thought these were absolutely amazing because normally pop-up cards are like $4.99 or something, so these are great. And then I also got a wedding one as well because this was the other pop-up version they have, and this is like a wedding cake, like a two-tier with a bit on the top, 2-tier wedding cake. And I just thought this was lovely, and it adds a bit more to a card, doesn't it, if it's pop-up. I love like quirky cards, like with pop-out things and handmade things and all those sorts of bits and pieces. So loads of cards so that I am prepared for the future. I've got a photo frame. This again is for video part 2. I got this pack of 12 sheets of 70 by 50 centimetre gift wrap. What I intend to do with this is to just slide it over in Ben's direction because he always forgets to buy his own gift wrap and always pinches mine. And I've got Kevin the carrot paper, okay? I don't want him butchering it. So I'm just going to send this in his direction so that he's got some paper. I got this, like plastic. Is it like, I think it's meant for, oh, like cocktails. It's like a cocktail fishbowl thing, isn't it? But I thought I could maybe turn this into quite an exciting gift. idea. And last but not least, I thought I was done with unicorns. I wasn't. I got this Unicorn Magic Carex shower and bath gel. It smells like refreshers, you know, Swizzle's refreshers. That's what it smells like. So obviously unicorns, if you ever meet one, will smell like a refresher. So that's everything I got from Poundland on this occasion. Do make sure you tune in to video part 2 to see how I put these together as little gifts. And I will, at the end of that video, show you the unicorn hamper, I think. So yeah, make sure you blah, 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 blah. I've still got brain full of germs, so I still can't think in a straight line. Like, yeah, I can't think in a straight line normally, so now I've got brain fog. It's just like 10 times worse. So thank you for listening to me ramble on about Poundland, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, bye!